Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Baby Floaty is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for parents looking to introduce their little ones to the water safely and comfortably, offering a secure and enjoyable way for babies to experience swimming while providing parents with peace of mind during bath time or pool sessions, ensuring a delightful and secure aquatic adventure for everyone involved. Number 5. Baby Pool Float with Sun Protection Canopy. Introducing our Baby Pool Float, designed for ultimate safety and fun. It features a secure design to prevent flipping, ensuring your little one can enjoy the water with peace of mind. Keep your baby protected from harmful sun rays with the removable UPF 50+ canopy. This breathable cover ensures they stay cool and comfortable during sunny days at the pool. Crafted from durable, leak-proof PVC, this float meets the highest international safety standards. It's made with baby-safe, non-toxic materials that are gentle on delicate skin. With double air chambers, a raised front, widened sides, and secure straps, it provides comprehensive safety. This design keeps your infant comfortably in place, preventing any accidental slips or flips. This innovative float offers two exciting swim modes, backstroke and breaststroke. With an easy buckle adjustment, your baby can explore different swimming styles for added fun. Packaged in a beautiful gift box, it includes a manual and pump for easy setup. It's also simple to deflate and fold, making it convenient for storage and travel. What we like? This float offers excellent sun protection with its removable canopy. If you're concerned about your baby's delicate skin getting sunburned, this is a fantastic choice. It also provides multiple safety features and allows for different swimming styles, making it versatile for growing babies. What people say? It's super portable and packable, perfect for travel or just tossing in the car for a quick pool trip. It inflates and deflates easily, doesn't take up much space, and has held up really well over multiple uses. The float felt very sturdy in the water. We even flipped it over, without our daughter in it, to test the stability, and it didn't tip easily, which gave us so much peace of mind. The sun canopy is a great addition too. It provides decent shade, though I'd still recommend using sunscreen since it doesn't block all sun exposure. Number 4. LAYCOL Baby Pool Float with Sun Protection Canopy. Introducing our innovative Baby Pool Float, designed with your child's safety in mind. Its unique no-flip-over construction ensures they stay secure and upright in the water. Keep your little one protected from harmful sun rays with the removable UPF 50+ canopy. It provides ample shade, allowing them to enjoy water play safely all summer long. Crafted from durable, leak-proof PVC, this float meets the highest international safety standards. It's completely non-toxic and gentle on your baby's delicate skin. This versatile float supports two swimming styles, backstroke and breaststroke. With an easy buckle adjustment, your baby can explore the water in a way that's most comfortable for them. Inflating and deflating is a breeze, making it perfect for on-the-go fun. It folds compactly for easy storage and transport, so you can take it anywhere. Packaged in a beautiful colorful box, this float makes a wonderful gift for any baby. It comes with a manual and pump for quick setup, ready for endless aquatic adventures. What we like? Safety is paramount with this float, featuring a robust, no-flip-over design and certified baby-safe materials. If you prioritize the highest safety standards and want peace of mind while your baby enjoys the water, this is the one to consider. The included canopy adds an extra layer of sun protection. What people say? It's super portable and packable, perfect for travel or just tossing in the car for a quick pool trip. It inflates and deflates easily, doesn't take up much space, and has held up really well over multiple uses. The float felt very sturdy in the water. We even flipped it over, without our daughter in it, to test the stability, and it didn't tip easily, which gave us so much peace of mind. The sun canopy is a great addition too. It provides decent shade, though I'd still recommend using sunscreen since it doesn't block all sun exposure. Number 3. SwimWays Baby Spring Float Splash and Play. Keep your little one protected from the sun with the adjustable canopy. It offers UPF 50+ sun protection and allows you to see them at all times through the mesh sides. Provide a comfortable, shady space for your baby to play. The canopy ensures they stay cool and protected from harmful UV rays. The mesh sides are designed for easy supervision. You can easily maintain eye contact with your baby from any angle, ensuring their safety and enjoyment. Safety is our top priority. The fabric-covered inflation adds durability, while the wide base and dual air chambers provide extra security. Featuring child safety valves, this float is designed with your baby's well-being in mind. It ensures the air chambers remain securely inflated for worry-free fun. Enjoy peace of mind with its durable construction and secure design. This float is built to last and keep your baby safe during water play. What we like. This float provides a shaded area with its adjustable canopy and allows you to keep an eye on your little one through the mesh sides. If you value constant supervision and adjustable sun protection, this is a great option. The fabric-covered inflation adds an extra layer of durability. What people say. The sunshade is great for our sunny Texas rays. We ended up unsnapping the back snap of the shade though, so it would be completely covering her head and face, and this worked perfectly. The blow-up toy on the front is cool, it spins, and the toy's attached to it by loops. Our favorite toy is the flounder-looking squeaking one, and next up is the teething fish. She can teethe and swim at the same time and she loves it. The canopy with UPF protection was a huge plus. It kept him shaded and comfortable even on sunny days. He absolutely loved the little octopus activity center. It kept him entertained while we floated around together. Number 2. SwimSchool Infant Baby Pool Floats. Meet the ultimate pool companion for your little one. Designed for safety and fun, it's perfect for introducing babies to the water. This float offers exceptional buoyancy and stability, thanks to its wider design and dual inflation chambers. It ensures your baby stays secure and comfortable. Keep your baby protected from the sun with the adjustable canopy. It provides ample shade with a wide range of motion for optimal comfort. The secure seat keeps your baby upright and engaged, allowing them to easily reach and play with toys. It's designed to build confidence in water. Prioritizing safety, this float incorporates multiple patented design features and is made with top-quality materials. It's an award-winning choice for peace of mind. Inflating and deflating is a breeze, making it perfect for on-the-go fun and easy storage. Enjoy hassle-free portability wherever you go. What we like. Designed for younger swimmers, this float offers superior stability with its wider base and a secure, adjustable seat. If you have an infant aged 6 to 24 months and want to build their confidence in the water with a safe and engaging experience, this is an excellent choice. The play area allows for fun interactions. What people say. It's pretty good at positioning him in a swimming position where he can kick his legs underneath him. The netting around the seat section is perfect for holding all your little's pool toys in arm's reach. The shade is adjustable, which I like, but it can come loose and not want to stick in its upright position sometimes. Number 1. Intex Pool Cruiser Baby Seat Swim Boat. Let your imagination run wild as you dive into a world of thrilling water play with this set of vibrant and fun inflatable pool floats. Get ready for an exciting aquatic adventure. Splash away with the goldfish, cruise in style with the boat, or soar through the skies as a fearless pilot in the plane. There's a fun ride for every little adventurer. Made from sturdy vinyl with smooth seams, it ensures endless hours of summer fun for your little ones. It can support up to 59 pounds for safe play. Let the fun start right away as it's incredibly easy to inflate. When the day is done, simply deflate it and store it compactly until your next adventure. Maintaining a fresh and hygienic pool experience is a breeze with its easy-to-clean design. A handy repair patch ensures any unexpected punctures can be quickly fixed. What we like. This option brings a lot of fun to pool time with its playful themed designs. If you're looking for a float that sparks imagination and is easy to set up for a day of play, this is a great pick. It's made from durable material and is simple to inflate and store, perfect for spontaneous water fun. What people say. It had no air leaks, and it didn't deflate in the slightest bit. Stayed inflated for the few days that we had it out and seems pretty durable as it was jumped on, dragged around, and played with, and is still in good working condition. These have a solid bottom so they can lay down and the edge won't sink like a normal float does. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.